guys wouldn't believe what is happening right now. You wouldn't believe it. So let me just show you. I don't know if you can see it. I was out riding my bike, and all of a sudden it started like thundering. Hear it? And let me get closer so you can see what's going on. Yeah, rainstorm. Unbelievable. Every time I try to do something, either play my drum or ride my bike, this keeps happening. So I'm stuck here for a little while. Hopefully it gets done before it gets dark. Yeah. So I guess I'll talk to you all. Got a nice latte because I was getting cold. Yeah, I can't even like show you what's going on. See, I heard a concert was supposed to happen today in Cambridge Green. So I came out here to ride my bike and then go to the concert. That was the plan. Obviously, not gonna happen. So, yeah, gotta wait for the rain to stop. I figured I'd talk to you all. Isn't this what happened the last time? I came out to play my drum. Yep. Slow connection. I know I'm in a bad area. And I was in the car and I was getting out of my car, and as soon as I got out of the car, hear the thunder? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Totally unbelievable. Let me show you the other side. But at least I found shelter. There's a little, I'll get out here and I'll show it to you. Let me reverse the camera. This is the other end of it. That's where I came from, that way over there. So I did my first video today. So, skies are rolling. See the rain on the ground? I can't ride. I was going to try to race through. So this is where I am right now. I'm in this little barn. It's a little barn. So I'm staying dry. I just went in here to get my little coffee and a little Danish. Yeah. So the concert is down yonder. Yep. Oh. Mr. Ed is sitting right here. Yeah. Right there. Alright. Bike. Look at that. And the concert's supposed to be way over there. I don't know what's happening with it. A lot of people out here that I've run into were waiting for this concert. So, it's a bummer. Rain, rain, please go away. Yeah. So I'm stuck here. I'm freezing. One time I didn't bring my jacket. I usually have my jacket on, but I went to physical therapy, and I figured, well, I was going to go home after. I forgot today was the concert. So I said, well, it's a nice day. Let me go take a little ride since I'm already out here on the bike. And it was so nice. You see my little reel earlier. It was so nice, let me tell you. I'm like, this is perfect. Perfect weather to ride your bike. Perfect. Didn't anticipate the rain, although I should have been forewarned because my knee was acting up before I got on my bike to go to therapy. Yeah, I'm just going there to strengthen the muscles. He said I'm pretty strong. He said, I don't know why you're here. but you know, I'm trying to be prepared for anything, and that's what I told him. I said, I just want to strengthen up different things if I'm weak somewhere that I'm not knowing. So I'm trying to remember all the things you guys taught me before to stay strong. But he says I'm in pretty good shape. So I was happy to hear that, even though I've been thinking I'm falling apart, right? So I just wanted to share with you the sad news of the weather. I'm listening to Sade on my other phone. Anyway, I'm going to get off. I just wanted to show you the weather. I wanted to show you what I'm going through. This is my journey, right? That's my journey. And I promised I would share it with you for whatever it's worth. But despite the fact that it's downpouring, because I'm in a sheltered area, but outside, I feel good. I feel it's a good thing, but I'm glad I'm not out in it. I don't want to have to ride my bike in it. I don't. But anyway, enjoy the feed. Watch it later. Comment if you wish. It's slow connection, so I might get cut off again. Alright? I'll keep you posted.